Click on the link below to get price. The HP Business and Study Laptop 2025 Updated is a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable machine for both professional and academic use. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD display, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals, making it ideal for everything from spreadsheets to streaming lectures. The screen size strikes a perfect balance between portability and usability, ensuring that users can work comfortably without feeling cramped. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 processor, this laptop offers impressive performance that can handle multitasking with ease. Whether you're running demanding applications or juggling several browser tabs, the Ryzen 7's architecture provides the necessary speed and efficiency. Coupled with 16 GB of RAM, it significantly reduces lag time, making it suitable for both intense study sessions and business tasks that require quick processing. The laptop's design is sleek and professional, featuring a robust build quality that suggests it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with a satisfying tactile response that makes long hours of work less tiresome. The trackpad is responsive, allowing for smooth navigation and gesture control, which enhances the overall user experience. Storage-wise, the device comes equipped with a 512GB SSD, ensuring quick boot times and ample space for files, applications, and media. The SSD also contributes to the laptop's overall speed, making it a significant upgrade over traditional HDDs. Its battery life is commendable, allowing for several hours of use on a single charge, which is essential for those on the go. Connectivity options are plentiful, with multiple USB ports, HDMI output, and a headphone jack, making it easy to connect to various peripherals. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster internet speeds, enhancing productivity for remote work or online classes. In summary, the HP Business and Study Laptop 2025 Updated stands out as a versatile machine that efficiently caters to both professional and educational needs, providing excellent value for its performance, design, and features.